Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube in a phone. So the process is the same if you have either an Android device or an iPhone. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, you need to make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded. And if you just go ahead and open up the app, from here you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. And then what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. From here, if you click onto general settings, and what you need to do is just scroll down slightly and you see you've got the option there which says restricted mode. If this is turned on, it will show you that the button will basically be blue and it'll say that it's turned on. And all you need to do is just click on the button to turn that off. And that's going to turn off restrictive mode. You'll notice the button has gone grey. As it says, no filter is 100% accurate. And just bear that in mind that this only applies to the app on the device. So if you want to learn how to do this on a computer, if you click the link that should be coming up now at the top of the video, you can learn how to turn it off on a computer. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to click and buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.